Hello everyone, this is Prabhakar. Welcome to Kalam Education. Kalam Education is providing online lectures for mathematics and physics. Who is studying 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th classes, and all the lectures are free of cost. There is no private videos. And this is our second introduction video. In this video we will discuss about syllabus of physics. In this course we are following CBSE standards books, NCERT books. NCERT books we can download through ncert.guru.com, or you can find the hard copy available in the market. You can get the hard copy through online shoppings like Amazon and all. Today we will discuss about the syllabus through physics. First we will go with the 6th class science syllabus. 6th class science syllabus divided into 16 chapters. In these 16 chapters we will study different type of topics. Let us discuss first chapter 1. Chapter 1 is related to food. And food, where does it come from, means how many types of food is there and where it come from, we will study in this chapter 1. Second chapter we will study components of food, and third chapter fiber and fabric, and fourth chapter sorting materials and groups, and fifth chapter separation of substances, and sixth chapter changes around us, seventh chapter getting to know plants, eighth chapter body movement, and ninth chapter the living organisms and their surroundings, and 10th chapter is motion and measurement of distances, and 11th chapter is light, shadows and reflections, and 12th chapter is very interesting topic, this is electricity and circuits, and 13th chapter is fun with magnets, and 14th chapter is water, and 15th chapter is air around us, and 16th chapter garbage in, garbage out. These are the 16 topics which we are discussing in 6th class science syllabus, and we will go for the 7th class. In 7th class science syllabus is almost related to 6th class science syllabus. Actually this is the application from the 6th class science syllabus. In chapter 1 we will discuss about nutrition in plants, and second chapter we will discuss nutrition in animals, and third chapter fiber and fabric, and fourth chapter is heat, and fifth chapter is acids and bases and salts, and sixth chapter is physical and chemical changes, seventh chapter weather, climate and adaptations of animals of climate, and eighth chapter is winds, storms and cyclones, and ninth chapter is soil, and 10th chapter is respiration in organisms, and 11th chapter is transportation in animals and plants, and 12th chapter is reproduction in plants, and 13th chapter is motion and time, and 14th chapter is electric current and its effects, 15th chapter is light, 16th chapter is water, a precious resource of course. 7th chapter is forest, 18th chapter is wastewater story. These are the 18 chapters which we are going to discuss in 7th class science syllabus. We will go for the 8th class science syllabus. 8th class science syllabus also contains 18 chapters. This is also related to 7th class syllabus. Actually it is somewhat deep from the 7th class science syllabus. In this chapter 1, crop production and management, if you see 7th class syllabus, it is nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals, and if you see chapter 1 you will get the food, where every topic from 6th class, 7th class and 8th class all are related. And we will in the second chapter we will go with microorganisms, friend and foe, and third chapter synthetic fibers and plastics, and fourth chapter we will discuss about materials, metals and non-metals, and fifth chapter we will discuss about coal and petroleum, and sixth chapter we will discuss about combustion and flame, and seventh chapter is conversation of plants and animals, and eighth chapter is cell structure and functions, and ninth chapter is reproduction in animals. In previous we studied about reproduction in plants. We are going to study in 8th class reproduction in animals, and 10th chapter reaching the age of adolescence, and 11th chapter we are going to study about force and pressure, and 12th chapter we are going to study friction, and 13th chapter it is sound, 14th chapter is chemical effects on electric current, and 15th chapter is some natural phenomena, 16th chapter is light, and 17th chapter is star and the solar system, 18th chapter is pollution of air and water. These are the 18 topics what we are going to study in 8th class total science syllabus. We will move to the 9th class syllabus. 9th class syllabus is divided into 15 chapter, in which we will study about chapter 1 matter in our surroundings, and second one is matter around us is pure, and third chapter is atoms and molecules. We are going somewhat deep into the concepts, like what we are studying is matter. From matter we are going to the atoms and molecules. This is somewhat deep into the concepts what we studied previously. And fourth chapter we are studying about structure of the atom, and fifth chapter we are studying the fundamentals of unit of life, and sixth chapter is tissues, seventh chapter is diversity in living organisms, and eighth chapter is motion, and chapter 9 force and laws of motion. Very very important topic, force and laws of motion. If you are studying 10th class, 11th, 12th, or if you are going for engineering also, you will get this type of related to questions related to law and motion and force. And 10th chapter is gravitation, 11th chapter is work, power and energy. This is also very very important topic. Going further it will be very useful in your, if you are studying for engineering after 12th. If you are taking any of engineering, it may be any engineering, mechanical engineering, aeronautical engineering, or electrical engineering, or civil engineering, you need to study related to work, power and energy. Many applications related to work, power and energy. And chapter 12 related to sound. 13th chapter why do we fall ill. 14th chapter is natural resources, and 15th chapter is improvement in food resources. These are the 15 chapters, very very important chapters. Matter in our surroundings, matter around us is pure, atoms and molecules, structure of the atom, the fundamental units of life, tissues, diversity in living organisms, motions, force and laws of motion, gravitation and work, power and energy, sound, do we fall ill, and natural resources, improvement in food resources. These are the 15 chapters, very very important in 9th class, and it will be useful in further classes also. Then we will go for the 10th class syllabus. 10th class syllabus is almost related to 9th class syllabus and somewhat deeper concepts compared to 9th class, and it is very very important if you are going further classes. 10th class syllabus is very important in 11th and 12th, and even engineering also so many concepts are related to this. First we will start with chapter 1. Chapter 1 is chemical reactions and equations. Here only all chemical formulas and chemical equations all will start from the chemical reactions and equations from 10th class. Next, second chapter we will start about we will study about acids, bases and salts, and third chapter we will study metals and non-metals, and carbon and its compounds in fourth chapter, and fifth chapter is periodic classification of elements. In periodic classification elements you will get a periodic table. In this periodic table nearly 118 items, 118 compounds will be there. Each and every item we need to classify where it will be used, what are the groups, divided into groups, and we will study all these things in periodic classification of elements. And sixth chapter is life processes, seventh chapter is control and coordination, eighth chapter is how do organisms reproduce, ninth chapter is heredity and evolution, 10th chapter is light reflection and refraction. Next one is 11th chapter is human eye and colorful world, 12th chapter is electricity, 13th chapter magnetic effects of electric current, and 14th chapter is source of energy, and 15th chapter is our environment, and 16th chapter is management of natural resources. These are the 16 topics, very very important, we will study in the 10th class science syllabus. Today this is the introduction video for the syllabus of science up to 10th class. These are the topics we all discuss in the further classes. Thank you.